Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be solving the inequality 4y minus 5 is less than or equal to 11. We will go through the step-by-step process to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. First, we begin with the inequality. 4y minus 5 is less than or equal to 11. Our goal is to isolate the variable y by performing a series of operations to both sides of the inequality. Step 1. Add 5 to both sides of the inequality. This is to cancel out the minus 5 on the left-hand side. Adding 5 to both sides gives us 4y minus 5 plus 5 is less than or equal to 11 plus 5. The minus 5 and plus 5 on the left-hand side cancel each other out, simplifying the inequality to 4y is less than or equal to 16. We altered the expression by adding 5 to both sides. This is a fundamental operation in solving inequalities and equations, as it helps in isolating the variable y. Keeping the operations balanced on both sides preserves the inequality. So after step 1, we have 4y less than or equal to 16. Step 2. Now we need to isolate the variable y by getting rid of the coefficient 4. To do this, we divide both sides of the inequality by 4. 4y divided by 4 is less than or equal to 16 divided by 4. Dividing 4 by 4 simplifies to 1, so we have y is less than or equal to 4. We altered the expression by dividing both sides by 4. This is to isolate the variable y, as dividing by the coefficient simplifies it to 1, allowing us to concentrate on the variable itself. Dividing by a positive number preserves the direction of the inequality. So after step 2, we have y less than or equal to 4. In inequality notation, this means y is less than or equal to 4. In interval notation, the solution can be written as negative infinity to 4, inclusive of 4. Since y is less than or equal to 4, this is the final step. So the solution is in inequality form, y is less than or equal to 4. In interval notation, negative infinity to 4, inclusive of 4. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.